Hi everyone. Let's start with the next section, making a script behave like a daemon. This section is about creating components that mimic application functionality, such as menus or a daemon. For that to happen, let's step back for a second and determine what defines an application or daemon. Is it menus? Is it the ability to run forever? Or the ability to run headless in the background? Let's begin with the first video that deals with running a program continuously or forever using looping constructs or recursion. This video will introduce a few ways for a script to run forever until it is killed or exits. Let's start our activity by following a few simple steps. So first, we need to create the script file named recursive_read_input.sh file. In this script file, we will add these few lines of code. We can see that the read command expects input and will store it in the input variable. Then the script will call recursive_func method again for each time a read exits. Save this file and navigate to the terminal. Then we will execute the script file using the bash command and then press enter at the prompt and wait for another prompt. Executing the script runs the script indefinitely. No matter the input, press Ctrl and C to come out of the script. Next, we will create another script file with the name loop_for_input.sh. Here we need to add this block of code. In this code, we will notice two things. The for loop has no parameters, except for this and the sleep command. This will make it run forever, but upon each execution of the loop, it will echo shall run forever to the console and sleep 1 second before continuing to the next loop. Let's save this file and switch back to the terminal to execute the script file. Executing the script file using the bash command. Once executed, press enter at the prompt and wait for another prompt. Running this script will cause the script to loop forever. Again, we will exit the program with Ctrl and C. Moving ahead, we will follow the same process and create one more script file, that is the loop_while_input.sh. As you can see, we have already created the file, so we will dd this code snippet in the newly created file. Let's understand the code well before executing it. Use the loop_while_input.sh script by using a while loop with the :loop command. However, there is a small difference of an if statement, which will never evaluate to true, but it can still be used in another script to set a condition which causes the script to break the while loop and exit. Let's save this file and switch back to the terminal to execute the script file. Executing the script file using the bash command. Once executed, press enter at the prompt and wait for another prompt. Executing the script will cause the script to loop forever. We will exit the program with Ctrl and C. Now we will create the last script file for this video, that is loop_until_input.sh. We have already created the script file. We will directly add the related code snippet in this file. Let's try to understand it. The loop_until_input.sh script is similar to the while loop forever example, but it is different because you can also embed a condition which will never evaluate to true. This causes the script to loop forever unless the exit_please variable is set to 1. We will save this file and switch back to the terminal to execute the script file and look at the result. Executing it using the bash command. Once executed, press enter at the prompt and wait for another prompt. Executing the script will cause the script to loop forever. Exit the program with Ctrl and C. That's all for this video.